The fact that people are talking about getting one-shotted is fascinating because previously the past tense would have just been one shot. You shoot someone, present tense, and then they are shot, past tense, with no need for the ed suffix. But that's not how the word is being used today, and that's because one shot has actually evolved into a different kind of verb entirely, where shot is the present tense. After all, you don't say, I am one shooting someone. Instead, the infinitive is to one-shot someone, which means we're playing by a completely different set of conjugation rules. The same thing happened with the verb to screenshot, where the past tense is screenshotted because there's no such thing as screen shooting for the regular vowel change to apply. In fact, it would be actively confusing to people if both the present and past tense were both still screenshot. So screenshotted really does make a lot of grammatical sense. However, I'm even more interested in why we also sometimes do this when you could conjugate the verb in the first place. For example, I've seen some people express the past tense of speed run as speed runned, even though in that case they could just say speed ran. And the verb to airstrike can be conjugated to air striked instead of air struck. I think this is because we're mentally treating the compound verbs as new words entirely, where it feels more natural to use the ed ending since we no longer form new past tenses by changing vowels.